Here we are at Mildenhall, also known as Motorland UK, day one of a big build. Justin Barclay and Alfie Smith are up here to totally redo a track. I think the last time it was done was like, well, I can never remember it being much different. I think 25 years maybe, 20 years at least, pretty much being the same layout. So yeah, everyone's pretty excited. So Alfie and Justin are just getting everything in shape, just trying to get everything out of the way so they can start from fresh. Pretty much going to flatten the whole area and redo the whole thing. So just been working on a bridge, so the bridge is going to go the other way. You're going to turn right after it. The whole track, to be honest, is going to be completely the other way around. Going to be some big jumps. I think over here in the middle there's going to be one pretty big jump. I think we're going to have like 4 big jumps, and then the rest is just going to be nice and slow. What's going on, boys?
Trying to work out how the computer works, isn't it? Fucking hell. Old bloody computer, trying to get speed up a bit.
More MPH out of her.
More MPH, right? We're running the bloody paddle tyre at the moment, we want MT32.
What's going on here then, Just? What are we building?
It's first turn, and it's going to be big, like a big bold turn, big parabolica turn, like a Glen Helen style. So
into a jump?
Into a set of supercross whoops. No, yeah, into a bit of roller, and then a nice tabletop, and then left-hander.
Oh.
Whatever that was. Yeah, so it'd be cool. Big wide first corner, rather than sort of like little naturally first corner, just lovely big left-hand turn, so big speedway turn.
Like Glen Helen?
Be like opposite way of Glen Helen, something like that.
You're going to build a sign as well, like Mildenhall?
Mildenhall.
The Hall?
The Hall.
What are you listening to on your iPod?
I think they're cheering at me actually.
Oh. Playlist? Full album?
Both.
He's got Adele on, that's what he's got.
I did have Adele on earlier actually, and a bit of Johnny Rogers.
Oh,
it's a midget driving the machine. Ginger midget.
what are you going to do here then? Build that into this?
Yeah, here's big pond to water the track, so like big irrigation lake here. So guys can just fill up the water while the racing's going on. Fill the water tank up, and then water during the racing or during practice day. All the water's inside the track, everything's inside. It's all one place. All the drainage should come down to here, and yeah, you can already see elevation of taking down the water table already. Big long left-hander, around where the dozer is, right in front of this tabletop, long here, and then where the Bowser is, give it a tabletop across there. Left-hander, come back over, up into a hill, turn right round this Marshall platform. So under the tunnel.
Yep.
Under the tunnel, turn where the tractor is, go up into the old finish line jumps. Let's go backwards. Land, have a roller into the corner. 180, come back over a nice tabletop, back into a 180 left, and then here we're going to have mounts and Mildenhall. So we're going to build a big scrub hill, sort of more than halfway up the tower. So it's pretty high.
Halfway up that tower?
Halfway up the tower.
Whoa.
So we're going to be pretty high, and then disappear off out the back, and everyone's going to have to come when it's open to see the rest. Simple as that.
So you've heard the plans. Watch out for some videos. We'll have some videos coming in the next couple of weeks, and then hopefully the ride day.
I think there's going to be a big open day and a ride day. Yeah, some pros are going to come down, and
we're going to have a test day. GoPro
test day. GoPro test day, I think that's
alright.
good
So
idea.
yeah, we're gonna have some videos coming up shortly. So watch your space and yeah, go check it out. The Tower of Death. Get a better look, show you some. You get a bit more of an idea of the what's actually supposed to be going on, but it looks a bit sketchy. Just save. Only one way to find out. Holy shit. Who in their right mind's going to go up here? Oh, what a view! So, as Justin said before, track's completely different, having a full new layout. Track's going the other way. What else is happening? Yeah, loads happening. So you can see here behind me, so it's going to come under a bridge, go over a tabletop. It's going to be a nice tabletop here, quite a big one, single. I was talking about going out in them trees, but not 100% sure what's going on here. I think the track's going to come back through here. Nice tabletop. Underneath the Tower of Terror, we're going to have a big scrub mound here, so pretty much all this dirt is going to get pulled into a huge scrub mound, so a massive mound, and it's going to come up to about, I don't know, like that bar. So it's going to be pretty high. I'm going to go back out here, do some loops, up, down, you know. Track's going completely the other way. See all this? All of this has been dug out of a lake out the back here. So I think Cliff and the boys have had 3 weeks solid working on that. That's a lot of loads of dirt. So all of this is clay. All of this dirt's going to go into the faces of the jumps. So the faces of the jumps will be nice and hard. Shouldn't get too rutty, so should get some nice air time. I think there's about 4 or 5 big jumps. Nice, safe, long landings, big takeoffs. So yeah, it's all coming together, and it's going to be super exciting. So just got to work out how I get down here now. Just
We've got to climb inside.
Stand at the bottom of that and just try and work out even getting up it. Yeah. There's not a lot of safety, health and safety going on.
Fucking hell. Hey?
I'd want to be on about 100 quid a day to marshal and come up here.
Oh, and on these straw boards as well. Yeah, but it is the G spot.
Yeah, it is. This is the ultimate spot for watching, isn't it? Especially when heads are going to be flying past at this level.
Yeah. That'd be sick.
And get down.
Sorry? Yeah, you don't get up all of that.
Thanks, mate. Well, they're not cold.
No. So that massive mound of clay you saw in the middle of the track, this has all come from here. So I think they spent about 4 weeks digging it out. So this used to go, I don't know, it's pretty small, just go about there. So some serious effort has gone into getting the clay over. So all of this is going to be used for the face of a jump, like I said, just be nice and hard, and you know, some nice big jumps there, but are going to be safe for everyone. So if you're an amateur, anything from a beginner to amateur to pro, like, you're going to have a nice jump to hit. So yeah, should be good. So that's it, day one done. As you can see, there's a lot of changes being made. So it's all looking good, and yeah, as long as the weather stays good, they should be done in about a week. No, 10 days to 2 weeks. So I'll keep you all updated on the progress, and yeah, hopefully get a ride in the next couple of weeks up here. So watch your space. Till next time, see you all later.